Morning, bikers. Starting a new week, the week of Thanksgiving. Today is Monday, November 22nd, 2021. Start a bike ride at 31 minutes after 11. Riding the Lynskey R300 bike today. Weather 65 degrees, a few clouds, wind is out of the northeast at 13 miles an hour with gusts to 23. Today's route, I am going north. I'm going to go north along US 59 through Porter, New Caney. I'm going to loop through, short loop through Tavola, then on to State Highway 242, and then back south through New Caney, Valley Ranch, Briar Tree, and then back to Kingwood. Probably 35, maybe 36 miles. Still on my quest to reach my goal, 360 mile goal for the month. I'm at 134. I'm not sure I'm going to make it, but we're going to try. Last week, a train hit a flatbed truck that had that steel beam on it. Creamed the truck. I think that pole might be a residue too. Fortunately, the truck driver was able to get out of the truck before the train hit. Riding north on Kelly Gilbert, headed towards Brooklyn Trails into a headwind. Riding north on Tavola Drive, headed to Roman Forest Boulevard. There's some knockout roses and lantana blooming. Still fighting the headwind. .4 miles or so. Time is 50 minutes after 12. Stop sign's Roman Forest Boulevard, where I'll go left. Then I'm going to take Railroad Avenue north to Wood Branch Drive. Riding north on Railroad Avenue in the shade. The trees to my right are blocking a little bit of the wind. The headwind. 16.6 miles, I think it is. 12:56 is the time. Traffic light is State Highway 242. I'm going to cross over US 59, I-69. Begin the ride back to the south. Construction is not moving at the speed of sound. Riding south on the US 59 frontage road from State Highway 242. The headwind is turned into somewhat of a tailwind. It's from my right side to right rear quarter. So it's more friendly than the wind was getting to State Highway 242. Riding southwest on Valley Range Parkway, south of the Grand Parkway. Those are the apartments that are under construction. Looks like they're making some progress. Riding south on Rock Creek Drive in Oakhurst. At the stop sign, I'm going to turn left, go back to the frontage road. Of course, I'll go south on the frontage road, weave around in some back streets in Kingwood Place, and then on to Kingwood Drive, make a U-turn on the frontage road.